Do you think all fried rice tastes the same? Think again. Watch me turn simple ingredients into perfectly fluffy fried rice. Cut chicken into cubes. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken and salt. Mix until the chicken has fully absorbed the salt. White pepper. It helps to balance mild off notes while enhancing its natural flavor. Soy sauce. It boosts an umami flavor and promotes a nice browning. Cornstarch slurry. We have a teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of butter. It helps to lock in the chicken's moisture. Cooking oil. It helps the chicken not sticking to the pan while stir frying. Mix well. Marinate the chicken while working on the other ingredients. Cut onion, scallions, and garlic. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and lightly beat them. You can either use fresh steamed rice or overnight rice. For a softer texture, use fresh steamed rice. Use a 1:1 rice to water ratio, slightly less water than usual. Cook using the rice setting. Once done, spread the rice on a plate to cool and let it air dry for at least 15 minutes. For slightly chewier rice with separated grains, use overnight rice. Growing up, my family always had leftover rice in the fridge, so this is my go-to. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, peanut, or grapeseed oil. Add the marinated chicken and let it sear before stirring. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until fully cooked. Fried rice is like a blank canvas. Feel free to add anything you like. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite add-ins. Add the minced garlic and toss it briefly. Remove the chicken from the wok. Continue to use high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the onion and cook until aromatic, 30 seconds. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the beaten eggs and scramble until partially cooked. Add the rice and stir fry until each grain is separated, about 2 minutes. To get the smoky wok, keep the heat on high the entire time. Season the rice with soy sauce and white pepper. Mix well. Return the chicken and onion and mix. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. Give it a final toss. And that's it! Fluffy, flavorful rice with tender, juicy chicken. My family can't get enough. They're always going back for seconds. If you also like to make a quick and easy shrimp fried rice, check out the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less, easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!